I'll give it a couple minutes, see if anybody else trickles in. All right, well, we can get this started. As we always do on our breaks, we let the almighty, lucky, strong, ultra wealthy Warren Buffett bless our boxes. Send you guys some good luck. We got 5 blaster boxes up. If anybody's never broke with me before, everything will be shipped out in the mail tomorrow. If for some reason out of all these cards your team doesn't hit, I'll send you stuff for my PC. Won't leave you empty-handed. Everybody's kaboom hunting. That's what we're looking for. Don't know the exact odds of what they are in a blaster, but we're gonna buck the trend and hopefully snag one. So that being said, let's get this started. For anybody that doesn't watch this live, it'll be uploaded up onto the YouTube channel. It's the same name as the Instagram. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and empty box. Cellophane everywhere. And with that, let us get started. Start the break with Gary Brightwell. Amon St. Brown. Michael Strachan. No helmet variant. Nice rookie. Follow that up with a Travis Kelce red zone. DeAndre Swift. About the only good Lions player. Follow that up with Elvin. The red rifle. Jimmy G. And everybody's favorite kid reporter. Has anybody been in any other absolute breaks in here? We did a Mega Box one a while back and didn't have the greatest luck. Not bad cards, just not anything everybody was really looking for. We got the Jamin Davis no helmet variant. We got the Darden rookie. Aziz is always following me in packs. We got Pat Freiermuth, actually playing pretty decent this year. Follow that up with the Mac Jones. His cards have really went up. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but right at his upper thigh, there's a print line, but right about here, it goes all the way across. And there's another small print line right here. Don't know if that's popping on the camera or not. Be a great card if it wasn't for the print line, but still Mac Jones nonetheless. Derek Carr. Cam Newton, perfect example. I go right off the Panini checklist. He shows up here as a Patriot. Even though he plays for Panthers, he goes to the Patriots. And CeeDee Lamb. Well, we got one rookie quarterback down. Even with those print lines, those Mac Jones cards have just gone sky high. We got Chaz. Always shows up in packs. There we go, another rookie, Kyle Trask. Got the rookie, real shimmer, almost like a snake skin almost. Don't know what they call that. But Demetric Felton, nice card. Follow that up with another rookie, Devontae Smith. You got Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Philip Lindsay, and Jonathan Taylor. Cellophane everywhere. And Wayne Goo, rookie. We got the no helmet, Jared Dokes, J.C. Horn, nice card, and Jamar Chase. His cards have went up. He's been playing pretty good this year. He's making Joey Burrow look good. Michael Thomas, Taysom Hill, David Montgomery, and Debo. We got Panay, Dwayne Eskridge, a no helmet, Eric Stokes. We got Kadarius Toney, little college and pro jersey. Follow that up with Russ, Joe Mixon, Patty Mahomes, T.J. Hawkinson, and Kid Reporter. Roche. Kellen, it's been popping up in a lot of my stuff. The no helmet, Sam. Tylan Wallace. Jason Kelsey, Unsung Heroes. Follow that up with J.J. Watt, Darren Waller, and Hunter Henry. Ernest Jones, nice rookie. No helmet, Tyson Campbell, Jalen Waddle, Air Bear himself, Stargazing, nice hit for the Chargers. We got Joey Bosa, DJ Moore, Derrick Henry, and Brandon Cooks. Last pack of that box. We got Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones, Asante Samuel Jr. Nice rookie, no helmet. Ramondre Stevenson, been playing pretty good. Got the variant here. Michael Pittman, the green parallel. T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, and Aaron Jones. Has anybody been in a break where they've hit it, or been in a break where a kaboom has been hit? Everyone I have been in has not. And it just means I think we're due. But even when we hit the Megos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start this pack off. David Montgomery, Debo, Teddy Bridgewater. We got the Mac Jones. That one looks pretty clean. I don't see any print lines. Sage Surratt himself. Jalen Phillips, Travis Etienne, and Jermar Jefferson. Mac Jones is showing off. His cards have went off. It's a good hit for the Pats. Ryan Tannehill, Philip Lindsay, Jonathan Taylor, Derek Carr, Oweh rookie, we got Golston, Kwity Paye, no helmet, and Justin Fields. Nice rookie. We got Cam showing up again. CeeDee Lamb upside down, or Cam upside down. DeAndre Swift. We got Jalen Waddle by storm. Nice rookie card. Got Morrig rookie. Followed up with Josh Palmer rookie. Got Pat Werner, no helmet. And Jacob Harris rookie. Got cellophane all over the place here. Got Alvin Kamara, Red Rifle, Jimmy G, McCaffrey, Tom Brady, first rookie here, Brandon Stevens, Oweh, who might have the biggest bicep on a card I've ever seen in my life. He knew that picture was coming. And Najee. Start out with Juju, Von Miller, Pittman Jr. We got the DK Metcalf Red Zone. Nice card. We got Chuba, Joe Tryon, no helmet. Greg Rousseau for my Bills, nice rookie card, and Devontae Smith. Michael Thomas. We got Gronk, Zeke, Goff, followed up with McCaffrey, stargazing, the rookie Waddle, rookie Davis Mills, and rookie Chris Evans. Patrick Peterson, Kenny Galladay, Devontae Parker, Darius Leonard, Unsung Heroes, Ian Book, wouldn't be a break if he didn't show up. Back-to-back Saints, Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones, and Asante Samuel. Got Emmanuel Sanders, TJ Watt, Jerry Jeudy, Carson Wentz. We got the green parallel deck, the rookie Stevenson, Ernest Jones, rookie, and the no helmet Tyson Campbell again. Nice and empty box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start from the top. We got the rookie Larry Roundtree, rookie Trey Sermon, rookie Tommy Tremble, Smith Marset rookie. We got the green parallel Derek Carr, Tua showing up, Josh Allen showing up, and Mike Evans. Got the rookie Jarrett Patterson, Ogundeje, rookie, Bateman, rookie, Ian Book, rookie, D-Hop, Joey Bosa, Hollywood Brown, and Sam Darnold. Got a rookie Felton, Nico, Carlos Boogie Basham, another Mac Jones rookie, by Storm, Justin Fields rookie, Odell, Ramsey, and LaVisca. Keep those rookie quarterbacks showing up. So we like to see Kylan Hill, Diami Brown, Trey McKitty, rookie, no helmet, Tyreek Hill, red zone, Khalil Mack, Miles Sanders, Calvin Ridley, and Devontae. You got Kenneth Gainwell, rookie. Sage Surratt again. Jalen Phillips. Travis Etienne. We got the Cam Newton green parallel. Fitzmagic. Keenan Allen. And Justin Tucker. Start off with the rookie, Jermar Jefferson. We got Chauncey Golston, rookie. We got Kwity Paye, has a little bit of a print line reader at his chest level. But we got Stargaze and Patty Mahomes. Corey Davis. Nick Chubb with a bunch of print lines on the bottom half there. Aaron Donald and James Robinson. Start out high with the Justin Fields rookie. Morig rookie. Josh Palmer rookie. Pete Werner rookie again. Ogundeji rookie. Terry McLaurin. Jason Kelsey. And Devin White. With a bunch of print lines. Kind of disappointing to see all these cards here, all these print lines, not good. You got Jacob Harris, Brandon Stevens. We got a nice fat card, memorabilia, Jacob Harris, rookie materials. Nice hit for the Rams. It's not from any specific game or event, however, but good hit for the Rams. We got Xavier Howard, Unsung Heroes. We got Aaron Rodgers. AJ Green. Air Bear with two big old print lines. Lamar Jackson with a couple print lines. And kit report. Alright, well, we got a memorabilia. Let's see if we can smack the auto. A Tua Kabuma would be pretty sweet. I would say no to. I wouldn't say no to any Kabuma at this point. I want you guys to hit some good cards here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've unpacked an insane amount of absolute, and I've not come across an explosion or a kaboom. Start out with Juju, Von Miller, a nice rookie Patrick Surtain. Nice hit. Got Stargaze and Alvin Kamara. Nice card. Rookie Trevor Lawrence. Don't actually see any print lines on that one. We got Nico. They're all flip-flopped around here. Boogie Basham. And another Mac Jones. Was it the fourth one? Is that the fourth Mac Jones over here? Whoever got the Patriots got their money's worth. You got Michael Pittman Jr. Another Michael Thomas. Got a Gronk. You got a Zeke. This is Joe Tryon again. Yes, sir. Rookie, no helmet. With big old print line right at his crotch. Kylan Hill, rookie. De'Ami Brown, rookie. With a Trey McKitty, rookie. See if we can snag another mem card or auto out of these couple last boxes here. Or kaboom. Jared Goff, Patrick Peterson, Kenny Galladay, Unsung Heroes Cole Beasley. Follow that up with the rookie Kenneth Gainwell, Sage Surratt, Jalen Phillips, Travis Etienne. Anybody that's a Jaguars fan out there, Etienne's autos and low number cards have really taken a hit since he got hurt earlier in the year. If you think he's going to be worth anything, now might be a good time to scoop him up. Devontae, Emmanuel Sanders, TJ Watt, Jerry Jeudy. Got the green parallel, Darren Waller. With a rookie Jamar Jefferson. John C. Golston keeps showing up. And Kwity Paye, who keeps showing up. Yeah, you're probably right. The explosions are. I think the kabooms, a lot of people just see on YouTube, and it's more available to everybody since, you know, you can buy one of the GameStop packs and technically have a chance for them. Carson Wentz. You got Julio. Tom Brady. Introductions, Rondale Moore. Nice hit. Another Justin Fields, rookie. Nice hit. Morrig. Josh Palmer again. And Mr. Werner again. Start this one off with Dak. Kyle Long. Justin Jefferson showing up tonight. Saquon. Follow it up with a Bateman by Storm rookie card. Nice hit. Jacob Harris again. Brandon Stevens. And away. Mr. Bicep. We got Will Fuller. Stephon Diggs. Big Ben. We got Lamar, red zone. Nice hit. Got Najee again. Nice rookie card. We got Hubbard again. Rookie. Joe Tryon, no helmet. Greg Rousseau. Nice rookie. We got Drew Lock, Jalen Hurts, Matty Ice, Quinnen Williams, a little Hunter Long green parallel, Devontae Smith rookie, Javon Holland rookie, and Davis Mills rookie. All right, see if we can get an auto, kaboom, something. Let's end on a bang here. Nice empty box. Don't steal me. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start that pack off with JJ, Darren Waller, Hunter Henry, another Mac Jones by storm. Really showing out today. Sean Wade rookie. I think this is Trey Lance's first one appearance. Nice rookie. Joseph Asai, no helmet. And Tutu. You got Russ, Joe Mixon, Mahomes. You got TJ Hockenson, green parallel, Kylan Hill rookie. Cornell Powell, Elijah Vera Tucker rookie. And Mr. Levi rookie. We got Taysom Hill. David Montgomery. We're going to have Kenneth Gainwell rookie. Nice mem card. However, it's not specific from any specific game or event, excuse me. But either way, nice rookie hit card. You got a red zone George Kittle, Javonte Williams, Seth Williams, Michael Carter, and Frank Darby. We got Debo, Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Philip Lindsay, Khalil Mack, green parallel, nice hat. Caleb Farley, rookie. Zach Wilson, rookie. And Jeremiah, rookie. I got Jonathan Taylor, Derek Carr, Cam Newton, Stargazing Lamar, Dez Newsome himself, rookie, Fahoko, rookie, Greg Newsome, rookie, Christian Barmore, rookie, everybody's favorite Kid Reporter. We got CeeDee Lamb, DeAndre Swift, Elvin Kamara, Red Rifle, Jair Alexander, Unsung Heroes, nice hit. Elijah Moore, rookie. Brevin Jordan, rookie. And the Speed Demon himself, Anthony Schwartz, rookie. I haven't pulled a Kaboom out of Blasters or Megas. I had, let's see, 10 megas that I did breaks with. I didn't pull anything. I've paid to be in megas. I haven't pulled anything. You see them in hobbies a fair amount more, but they're also like $500, you know, on eBay. But yeah, still haven't hit one out of megas. You got Jimmy G, Christian McCaffrey, Juju, Devontae Smith introductions, nice rookie. Shee Smith, rookie. Patrick Surtain, rookie. Trevor Lawrence showing up again. Nice rookie card. Kadarius Toney, rookie. All down to this last pack. Got Von Miller. Michael Pittman. Michael Thomas. We got Gronk. Got a little Miles Sanders green pearl, nice little hat. Larry Roundtree, nice rookie. Trey Sermon, rookie. And the last one for the night is Tommy Tremble. That will do it for tonight. Next Sunday I will be having probably some more breaks, and I think I have one ending Tuesday night? Thursday night. Thursday night. Same eBay channel. If anybody's interested in that. Let's see what else. I will be having at some point some of these coming up. Auctions, breaks, I mean. I got some more of these. I got 2018 hobby that I got to do a break on. Some fat packs. That's about it. This thing will be uploaded to YouTube. We're doing 100 subscriber giveaway. As soon as we hit 100 subscribers, if you've liked, commented, you know, whatever, subbed, we'll be giving something away. Don't know if it would be some blasters, some nice packs, cards, rookie cards, what. So if you want to go over there and sub, appreciate it. With that being said, everything will be shipped out for you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good night.